Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today is very important video. In this video I'm going to share with you two things. First thing, from 25th of August till 29 August, how many trades I took on my Profirm account. I will show you my execution, how I take, also I will show you with that thing, and I will also give you one model that works every day. You can take 2 or 4 trades in a day. That is a time-based model from ICT. Okay, and you can watch this video till the end and you will understand it's actually work. Okay, so first of all, if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe it. Okay, and if you don't have any a good Profirm, I will give you the link in the description. Okay, why that's good I will also explain later in this video. So first of all, I have some diagrams as well. I will first hide that one and I will explain you a little bit on the daily base. So in the daily time frame, if you see, we have a bullish trend. Okay, price make the break of structure of this area. This was the low and this was the high. Okay, and price if did not break this low, we are still bullish. Okay, so what we have on the last week, we have this 22 August. Okay, it's close on this fair value gap. We have one inversion here. Okay, from where we can get the respect, and later on the price give respect on this inversion. And the downside, we have this inversion. Okay, and we have these bullish BC and CB. Okay, so it's become the BPR, balanced price range. From there price give us the reaction. So Monday price open on 25 August, Tuesday make the low, and then it's went upside and then closed below, right? So how we can identify our trades on daily basis, how much the win rate of the model that I will give you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, it's very important for you. Okay, let's me go to the 1 minute time frame. Always remember, if the model which I am going to tell you is the win rate is depend on your psychology, it's depend on your analysis. Why? If, like for example, if you don't want to see the higher time frame and just want to trade on that specific time, the win rate will be a 50%. Okay, if you if you combine with this confluence of daily buys, your liquidity, everything, then the win rate will become 75 to 80%. Okay, and it can be more increase once you do a back test on it. You will understand the algorithm behind it. Okay, so let's go to the 1 minute time frame. And nowadays I am making videos on, especially on the this Profirm, in this Profirm chart. Okay, on Trader Locker, so you can see my executions as well, and also you can see the method I want to show you. Okay, so I will give you also the brief on it. So we have 25 August here. Okay, okay, so what we have to do, write down on your pad, note, or in the book, whatever, what is the time you can trade. Okay, maybe some of people doing jobs, or your time is not matching with me, because I am making videos on the base of New York time, UTC -4, or you are from Pakistan, India, or from another country. Okay, so match your timing, match your model with your timing, it will perfect. So whatever the time I will tell you now, it's based on New York time, UTC -4. Okay, so the first, if anyone want to trade this model with Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100 or XPX 500 for these asset classes. Okay, the first time, if anyone want to do in AM session, okay, so they can use in Euro USD or GBP USD. Okay, 3:50 AM, 4:10 AM, one, also a little bit before that, 2:50 AM, 3:10 AM, two time frame I gave you at the morning, and another time is 9:50, 10:10, okay, 10:50, 11:10. To here I give you PM session of New York, 2:50 PM, 3:10 PM, and then 3:50 PM, 4:10 PM. Okay, so basically I only trade on 9:50 to 10:10 and 10:50 to 11:10. If you get any trade between of these two time frame, like if I get in the first trade 9:50, I will not show the 10 another time frame, another setup. Okay, so let's get started. So what is this strategy? Basically you have to find the liquidity, okay, or in this time period you have to find the fair value gap, okay, and you have to wait for the inversion, okay, and then you take the trade on that inversion and target the opposite side liquidity. I will give you a special sauce here to make it more accurate if you don't want to see the daily buys or everything. Okay, if any fair value gap come here, okay, like this is a bearish fair value gap here, you wait, price respect, give little bit reaction, okay, in 1 minute time frame, and then reverse, okay, and close above of this fair value gap which gave the reaction to you, then you take the trade and 1 to 2 additional reward. Okay, so here I took trade on this day, but that is my another model, but it's hit the break even on 25 August. Okay, that's good because I was expecting the lower prices, and once price went to one area, I may get the break even, and it's hit the break even. That's the normal part of trading. So we have first 9:50 here, we have 10:10. Okay, the executions, your buy and sell button will only be pushed on this time frame. Okay, your trade can run after this time frame, okay, but you only buy and sell on this time frame. Okay, these are the macros of ICT macros. Okay, and the inversion or fair value gap which create on this time frame are more probability and more win rate they give if they are made on these time frames, okay, between this window 9:50 to 10. Okay, before that also you can use that one, but the more is here, it will be a more benefit for you. Also, if you combine this with bias, it will be more helpful for you. So here we have a fair value gap, okay, it's close above it, okay, but we don't have that time the price is not did not in our time zone area. Once it's come to our time zone area, you can buy from there and target the opposite side liquidity. Okay, let's go to the same day 10:50 to 11:10. Here we are bullish. You already see the market is making higher high, higher lows, so you are just wait for a fake ICT 22 model where you see the fair value come. If it's close, buy from there and wait your 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, next we will go to the next day. Okay, and then the first day 25 August I got break even. This is the second day I missed the trade, I was not available on this area. So here what happened, we have 9:50 and 10:10, we have this inversion, price close above, you take the trade from here, put your SL1, second the aggressive one, put here, the sufficient one will be here, and then target these lows. Okay, and SMT is crucial. You can Also watch the SMT with SPX 500. It will also help you with many things. Let's go to the same day on 26 August 10:50 to 11:10. We don't have such thing here. We make one fair value gap here, okay, and then it give us a respect, but eventually our time is off. Okay, these model mostly work on this specific time window. Excuse me. Okay, let's go to the next day, 27th of August, and here I took the trade and it's got TP, favorite model. Once the market open, I marking out these fair value gap. I am expecting that price if come to my window and close above of this area, I am going to buy. And this was the 4 hour my inversion plus 1 hour fair value gap. Price came to that area, and then what happened exactly here? This was the bearish fair value gap, got respected and closed below, and then price come to our area, give a good reaction, and this was my favorite model, liquidity sweep with the market structure shift. In the macros time, we have a bullish fair value gap, we have inversion. As soon as I see this, I wait for the price come to my fair value gap, because it's a classic ICT 22 model in a macros, okay, not outside of macros, in the macros, and I buy from here. Exactly, no zero drawdown, and I took my TP here. Okay, risk was stop loss here, and TP was there, 1 to 3 was there. Okay, so the next time, same day, next trade, it was if someone take from here without any confluence, because we have high low and just take any inversion, wait for to close, most probably get break even or SL. Okay, so if make sure you use also a confusion. That's why I on back testing results 50% win rate if you are not checking with any confluences. Let's go to the another day, and we have here also my mistake, but this happened. So what happened? We have this inversion fair value gap. Okay, this was here. Okay, it's create on these macros, and so what happened? I didn't find any of fair value gap here, but in 30 seconds it was there. Okay, if you see the 30 seconds here, it will be, you will find here, but eventually I'm in a 1 minute. So it's close here. I buy exactly once this come below here. Okay, and I put my SL very aggressively. I put here. I should put here or the third candle, first, second, third. So I put aggressively here, and what's happened? Market come take my break even. Okay, because when this candle close above of this candle, okay, so I put SL to the break even, and market hit my break even exactly here, and then it went all the way to this sweet lows, sweet highs. So this happened many times. So here we have these also, you can take trade, like we have first fair value gap, second, so price close below this fair value gap. Okay, you can take direct entry from here and target this area, but eventually this happen not happen, because here is the SMT, if you see the SPX 500. Second, the most, I told you, the most profitable, these fair value gap got respected, then it's got breach. From here you buy, and then 1 to 2 easily, stop loss here, 1 to 2 profit. Okay, now we will come to 29 August. I didn't take trade on this day. Okay, and but here was a good example of the trade. Actually, I was also bullish because this was the area of demand, but eventually price close it. Then we have in a macros, we have this bullish fair value gap, okay, and then it's got respected on this CB. In worst, I want to sell here, but due to the news time is near was there, so I away from the market that time also. So it's happened. I was then again I make this CB to be mark out that I am waiting for price close above of this CB, and I want to buy, but eventually it's went all the downside. Same day we found another good trade, but I didn't take. But for your example, liquidity sweep, we have this beautiful inversion, okay, become inversion, close above it, and you can take buy from here, and 1 to 2 is a piece of cake. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. It's a very simple method. Go back test. Without bias it's 50%, with bias it's 70-80% will be a win rate if you do a proper back testing on it. Make sure you journal everything, what you do mistake, write that one every day, and buy a good instant funding prop firm, not trade with your own money. If you don't have a good prop firm like this I have, they have same rules like FTMO and other prop firm, but the good part is that they are very cheap and they give you payouts, okay, when you follow their rules. Okay, just you have to purchase this very now. The offer is going on till 31st of August, 50% off. Even a 100K account you can get in $250 instant funding. $50,000 account you can get around 150 160. So it's a really cheap, and you can also customize the daily drawdown and the overall drawdown with another things also. So I hope you learned something from this video. I will give you the link of this platform in my description. Make sure you join from there. So we'll meet again. Until next time, be safe.